Every student in math class has a student folder. So if you click on your college student folders, you'll see a folder with every student's name in the class. Whenever we're taking notes or you need to use your notes to complete your homework assignment, you can check the student folders, find the one with your name on it. Once you open that, you'll see all of your notes and assignments from class. It's really important to know that you can only open your own student folder. You do not have access to the student folder of any other student in your class. So say I'm Zuli and I try to click on Lucas's student folder, I won't be able to open that. So every student can only look at their own notes. So to see what's in the student folder, you'll just find your name. I'm going to be Zuli. I'm going to click on that to open the student folder. So your student folder is on Google Drive. Every time we take notes in class, you can open the student folder and all of your notes are listed by date to match up with the homework assignment that you were completing on that day. There are all of your assignments in here. At the midway point of the quarter and the end of the quarter, you'll have a missing work tracker. So if you're missing assignments, you can check here to see the specific assignments you need to get done. Every time we take a test, you'll get a review sheet that reviews all of the types of problems you'll see on your test with video examples. So every single thing you will need to refer back to watch videos, to reread your notes, are all in your student folder. And we will use the notes in the student folders pretty much every single day in class. So it's really important to know where your student folder is. So I'm going to show you one last time how to open your student folder. So if you're on the math homepage, you can either click modules here, or underneath this image, you can click on modules here. It'll take you to the modules. It'll take you to the most current one. We want to look at need help, look here. We're going to go to the bottom of that, select student folder. So in quarter 2, you'll see Gators or Huskies. You'll select your student folder and then just find the one with your name. And that's how you'll find all of your notes for math class.